Some low yin don't like it to see now, Bella, yin top and to Gina sharing, and the ring in the big kitchen shade do, and you can also the ring into the mix again, module riches, and Tamapatusiro now sharing is, and the ring into the consideration, but it doesn't like it, and the dishes for some chicken, and teaching in the change layer. And then so topping on his zero cheese and Tissi on Zuki, Chitang la soap and Norbarashina and Gombo Masoro Chichuanis, and Yindu the Tululu on the topping on zero cheese.
Thoma ngaranzu shada jubo Philippines number samalaya samdi touch le shwe teleng aju Bangalore sanen nalaya tendang aju shungde be chobanga VTech SFT shunu JDSU tan shigi Bangalore umelam ngaju nyamshu gi tenda delang aju loblu number same gi den chik language pe gi yore language pe di kharesna tang aju Bangalore ye dewe ta loblu number sama chik tenda Koran jogi shungde be choba den na chik thangla gi den chik ta khon number gi den chik la ya chale nang ge waso dan susu gi lobjong chise gi yudi gi ta university den gi jaga lobdu den chu del ya ngaju gi tisi youth hosro gi chogang la ya ngaju ni khon number den shu ani khon number la ngaju phewe gi ta rikshung 다가는 신기 배배 탑주 아니 다가는 신기 짬보를 묻히기 두개 덤자시 다가는 신기 짬보를 묻히게 와이스 포드 와이스 레 응은에 가지고 참매기다 고도배 체도 가지고 내 냠수 체요래 아주 델레야 슝데베 소방가디 냠수 체디 개체슈디 아주 비밀 상마 참듀당 튠데 당시 독자직디 제고 여와 손자 아니 가족이 깨제셔서디 자디인 바소자 아니 가족 비밀 농구를 파도지 견주 체들의 멤버 아니 가족이 깨제셔서다 가족이 갑자자세 가인 바소자 가족 바 칼로니 가족 된다 뱅로 우멜람게 고틴 그래서 가족 슝데베 초바 응아디 냠슈고 되는 가족 링도 스펙이 요래 백이 미국 저거디 가리 시와라지나 땅 가랑도 된다 초다갈 예되겠다 나라 슝데베 초바 창매겠다 먼저 뱅로 된데 링귀지 백이 요와 송자 아니 캐남베겠다 된데 직다 대외 탑지 배미 지구 요와 송자 아니 가랑 삼매겠다 참듀다 독자 직디 토네 가지고겠다 갑자자서 니가들이 샤서 갈파 칼로는 가지고 깨제 쉬고 도스 디송자 먼저 성을 비밀에 아니 배외 탑지 배미기 제고 요와 송자 아니 먼저겠다 슝데베 초바 순다지는 냠시고 된데 링귀 빼 할레와 개침부 러시아 삼리 된다 가지고 뱅로 나랑라다 슝데베 초방가 된데 링귀지 백이 요래 링귀 빼 딩원에 관한 지가도 상매겠다 지 참듀 독자 직디 디나는데 디나 여대 상무 롭둑장래 코 넘버 3만원 수수 롭종체 아니 수도 당락이다 된데 슝레베 소바디는 코 넘버 링귀드니 빼기 왔어 아니 나지 디는다 로체쇼 임바선데 얘기 코 넘버 직다 고지 티니 데네지 링귀드 빼 투나 셈다 아주 된다 링귀드 뺀다 달랭 아주 링귀 탕 숨바차 되어래 마오바주타 니도니 슈자루 나가주 링귀드는 망부지 방디 대유 니 쪼보쪼보디 가리 쉬워지는 가랑 센절로 요데 비미 참매겠다 참듀다 독자 직디 지내다 가지고 갑자자서 가들이 샤스 디초랑 캐나마 참매 되지 아주 뱅로 링귀 빼고 나신 캐나마 참매 두 스페로 지쉐이 강아시는 아주 락바지나 주궁아요래 주궁아데 수 독자 직디 지네 가지고 다 오늘고 비미 참매 독자 직디 지네 가지고 잡베니 까뇨 사이티 할로 개치 뭐 이모서다 그래서 가다 페퍼로 까뇨디 쌍매와 간요상에 할로 개침부 임바선데 가라도 비밀 창매다 냠축 독자 직디 돈이다 가지고 랭귀지 빼고 누스 니쳐도 가도 된다 뱅로 우멜람기 왜네 되는지 랭귀지 빼기 요래 랭귀 빼 되고네 슝데베 쳐봐 ngaja nyamshu de ne chin tang aju lingui de pe di kechim bu shuji thone ta aju khen number sama tenda di aju thagena din de jikso go mi gu zo de ne khen number chame di aju bangalore de pe nang shingi khen number de ne lingui ji pero chis di aju bangalore shungre choba nga ngwe ne khen number sama bigu shuye shwe phegelo
Let's go. You don't do it. Now it's fire. You got to the kitchen. You got kitchen. 먼저 갈라서 돼야 돼. 방에 대고. 다시 돼. 이제 뭐나 켜져 주시죠. 먼저 세윙. 세윙 되셔. Ang kurangnya alu bakus dia. Kurang sekali sih na, sama shoot dia. Kini expert sama dia. 上次Momo学这里去的嘞，在怎么学的嘞？上次怎么学的嘞？他的老子 non veg 的嘞，是Momo de la学的啥？好的，俺下面的la学的啥？di alu bumres saya darsa di ya tebali na hono dengan khar shaina jada momo sere saya an jangan zo kita an jangan zala momo sedang na window chair esa so now is working very hard for this
Kan gue maksudnya mana sih?
Ya orang pandai sus deh.
You can ask anything from your curiosity. You can ask anything from where you are, where you from, and please try to connect as much as possible. I know that you are being called by some friends, so please don't think you can. It's okay, give them for one day. It's okay, you can meet in the next day.
Alu momo sera chiza res di. Di saya res, saya geng res. Saya tu saya la male rochis. Di saya res. Saya momo di orang tu orang tu lah sedang nak res. Orang tu lah kau jodoh so. Tapi apa mora saya momo orang saya insa deh. Saya masih saya lihat tu sama res saya masih. Ya, tu lah betul tu saya. Ani ada putih yang orang tu disini sos. Anda lah mi kasih kita, rokok mereka kasih kita ni. Anda lah orang tu kita resah, orang tu lah sih resah, orang tu lah beres, orang tu momo sedang.
Anyone among you have some basics? Yeah, anyone? Basic of Momo, making Momo. Yeah, you might be good. Okay, so we will try to polish it. If you don't know, we'll at least let you know quite a bit. And if you know well, we will try to enhance that. So I hope you all enjoy it. So first we will take a round and just please check them the process. And then we will like put people inside and we will learn together how to make Momo. Okay, so then, yeah.
Aku momo lah beres, momo sedang. You'll get what you make, okay? Yeah.
You want to make one more? Follow me.
First pinch, yeah. Pinch it tight. Okay. And then, so yeah, you use that, yes, pinch it hard. And then, yes. And then, over there you can just, yeah.
How does they love some?
And then one more time, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next
You
step
learn,
is
okay? After that, you
yes,
open
yes,
Tibetan
yes. That
teaching.
one. Yes.
Okay.
Three fingers. Three fingers. Now with these two, pinch here. These two should be like here. Okay.
Yeah.
Push it. With pinch, push it. Yeah. That's beautiful. Okay. Yeah. Push it. Right. Now.
Press it again.
Again. The fold one. Now. Come above. No. You have to always pinch this one. Okay. Here again.
After folding, you have to pinch again.
Yeah, pinch. Hold this pinch.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Yeah, better is very nice for first try. So make sure you're using a thumb or something. Trying to push it down. Today we're making momos. So as you can see over here, we've got like Indian spices. As you see, she's Angela. Angela, at least say a word about the experience. Learning how to make momo. Oh, so far is that a momo or is that a monster? My first, guys.
Actually, delete.
Oh, this food was still like kind of thin.
Wow,
Okay.
it's good.
First, momo of this shape. Now, like I can teach you an easy way.
Hi. Chill love.
You have to first press at the corner and then you have to keep holding it. Then again press, hold it, press to the right side, hold it, press to the right side. You have to press first.
Hi. Hi. Yeah.
You can just
Choose me.
this.
Angela.
Yeah.
Ramju. First time make another page.
First try to make like this. Make it like this.
Like this, yeah.
I think I should fill in the opposite side.
First momo. First momo.
Nice.
How do we make the rounded ones?
Now you want to learn round one.
First momo? Yep, my first momo. We're done. More to go. How's your process, Shu? First momo. Hey.
Yeah, this is
This is your first momo?
first one.
Show in your hand. Yeah.
Okay. It is so bad. I'd give it a 0, but I passed.
Wow. 진짜 너무 쉬도. 진짜 너무 쉬도. Show back.
In one word, how you're feeling?
Fabulous.
In one word, how you're feeling?
Eccentric.
In one word.
Excited.
Okay, excuse me. In one word, how you're feeling?
Happy.
In one word, how you're feeling?
Excited.
In one word, how you're feeling?
Excited.
I.
Hungry. Excited.
Excuse me. In one word, how you're feeling?
Momo.
Good, good. In one word. Okay, in one word.
Very excited.
Excited. Okay. Excuse me. In one word, how you're feeling? Excuse me. In one word, how you're feeling?
Nice.
How's the session going?
Good.
Okay, I hope you enjoy. Excuse me. In one word, how you're feeling?
I just came.
Yeah, okay.
Feeling good.
Good, okay. In one word, Kai, can you tell? You?
He feels hungry.
Sandivan, in one word, how you're feeling?
I feel like a chef right now.
Okay.
他等着到的陪伴水水嘛，好雨的。哦，만살。아직 만살이래. 근데 나 배가 보고 뉴스에 대해서 배가 보고 다시 팔려야 돼. 컨트롤 납돼야 돼. 얘가 쪽으로 와. 상말 납되나? 나는 언제 제일 제일 맞다. Ada cuma orang hutan batas di sana. Ada gabu cigarettes, mereka collecting bapa ni. Shape dah medalist.
Because we have very interesting quizzes out there, and we have a prize. We have a reward also. See there's one beautiful Tibetan calendar. So whoever get the most answer correct, so we'll distribute this reward. So I hope you guys will enjoy this, and yeah.
He was just 2 years old when he was recognized as the reincarnation of a spiritual leader. By 5, he sat on a throne. By 24, he was forced to flee his homeland. A young monk carrying centuries of Tibetan hope on his back. An exile who became a global icon. But even as the world celebrates his compassion, difficult questions loom. What happens after him? Can his message and his lineage survive the pressures of geopolitics, exile, and time? They came with little but their faith.
Really paying attention, and no pressure at all. Just answer what feels like. Ready? If you have a correct answer, no matter what, just attempt it, and just raise your hand and just throw your thoughts. Where was the Dalai Lama born? Option A, Lhasa. Option B, Takdir Amdo. C, hold on bro. C, Dharamshala. D, Kathmandu. He got correct answer. Okay, now move to a second question. What was the Dalai Lama's birth name? Tenzin Gyatso, Sonam Gyatso, Thamo Thundu, Lobsang Gyatso. Which one? I will repeat the question again. What was the Dalai Lama's birth name?
Birth name.
Okay, option A, Tenzin Gyatso. Option B, Sonam Gyatso. Option C, Thamo Thundu. D, Lobsang Gyatso. Name please. Yeah, that's correct. Ron got a correct answer. So his birth name is Thamo Thundu. Yeah, his birth name is Thamo Thundu, and now he is called as Tenzin Gyatso. It is a birth name, so yeah, it is understandable of this confusion. So next, in which year did the Dalai Lama go into exile? Option A, 1945, 1950, 1959, 1965. Green one here. Yeah, he got the correct answer.
1959.
Next, question number 4. Where has the Dalai Lama lived since going into exile? Nepal, Bhutan, Dharamshala, Mongolia. The white one, please. Yeah, he got it there. Now I will talk about, the next question is about philosophy and teachings. So yeah, according to the Dalai Lama, what is the foundation of a peaceful life? Option A, wealth. B, power. C, compassion. D, intelligence. The brown one, yeah. Yeah, he got it correct, yeah. What is your name? Can you please? Yeah. So, next question. The Dalai Lama often says that compassion should be practiced towards option A, only friends, only Buddhists, all human beings, only family members. White one. Okay. He got correct answer. Actually, it's easy one. Okay, question number 7. In the video, non-violence is described as weakness, avoiding problems, a strong moral choice, fear of conflict. A strong moral choice. Yeah, he got it correct. Seems like everybody really paying attention. So yeah. Angela. So 9. According to Buddhist philosophy shared in the video, suffering mainly comes from fate, external enemies, uncontrolled desires and anger, lack of education. What? Okay. Yeah, you got it. Correct answer.
Siya Momo de la siya Momo so alu mo de res. Alu mo lang do so.
Hey guys, clap. I don't understand my own handwriting now. Sandarpan. Third question, The second position is Sohali. Please come forward. Angela.
I have some questions for you.
Yeah.
So would you please answer those? How was the experience?
I mean, honestly, I loved it. I'm used to making it, but like doing with all group of people, so I liked it.
Yeah, what about you?
It was my first time going to this gathering. It was too
Yeah. Okay. What was your takeaway today?
Firstly, I got to know a lot about the Tibetan culture,
Yeah.
about how Dalai Lama came to India and all that stuff. So
Yeah, okay.
that's good.
And what about you?
Yeah, the speak towards humanity. How?
Oh,
how you
yeah.
have to treat everyone even.
Yeah,
equally.
that's so great. Why did you decide to join us today?
I mean, firstly, Momo and most of our friends are very like Tibetan, so
Yeah.
came here for that also.
Okay.
I was invited by a friend, and
Yeah.
of course, momos.
Yeah, okay, well. What was your favorite part?
I mean, for me, the Momo making only.
Okay, what about you?
Momo making.
Okay, then what the lessons did you learn today?
See, violence is not the solution for all.
Okay, yeah, that's good. What about you?
Treat everyone equally.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ça devait l'envoyer. Venez. Chaud d'aller. Chaud, même le chaud. Chaud, il est chaud. Chaud, quand il est chaud. 잡시 오말 곤상 맛이 오말 야가를 쇼런데 쇼 쇼 반대 반대 잡로 자자 가만히 있어
Bye. The pala interview chidere skyande. Interview lere sta kondo session dikade chung sonan. Na so koshi thasa yin se. Ya bu ma chido session na ma. Tons of interview lere Tang zhuan da chari. Tan nang lo zhe sha. Tang zhu chang wen pa zi. Gen ri. Tan dang zhu par gera ta kum kya le.
Transition number 200. Wait, membership 200 rupees. Wait, membership 200 rupees.
Zuma la kyar sang ma. The next session meeting is next zo kha chem. Hero.
And the ring into the Digana Zam shines, and some loto, the Nimbu Chunga and Kissy on the TC, Ladang da Chidang la Sopa Norbershina, Komatsuri Shuens, and the Nanyam Shudang is Sama Pepper Lutu, and the Yijan the Junction Bagan race, Sama, or the gate is on the Chidang da Ladang la Sopa Norbershina, and some China Gurachis, and on the Mount Pala, and Yerketanga down, Kandi name. Chicho ani dijel ani jebodi sa subu chuan de chama ge daw sing lai cutting this ge daw sing lai gi ta onzu lo da masuna this game ba chadu en ge la gi pe ge bur ya wa ki za ani this ge daw sing la mena ani and jebodi sa subu chungur sam ge mindora an ge la la mix ka dun thuji na chi chuens an dijel ani onzu thokpa thongmo sangma la ani thuji na chuens khon zo sangma nyam shu pe ya bu nang sus la ga ine hurta parta momo ine hurta parta sus leng en sama lo thuji na chuens ani dung di tham padu ta chu padu si wala ani ing ta pa ni thuji na chuens thuji na sama lo yin yin du di cho chwa ra yes